see all of you back. Hey, I can see the background. Muhammad, how many? It's 10 degrees, I think. Oh, let me see. You all can't see me. Hold on. Muhammad is freezing. Yeah, Muhammad, are you freezing out there? Interesting. Okay. Right, right. This is nice. Amina, how are you? Good. Nice. So, where are the others? Where are the Tigors? I don't see. Rushta, go ahead. Call. I hope Ahmed knows that there is no Tagore class now. It's just one class. Give a shout out to your brother. Okay, good. Okay, he knows it. So all the Tagores are aware, right? I just did not inform the Tagores. I put it in the group. I hope the rest, the clan and everybody's aware of it. Ahmed's in. Okay. Do you want me to go out and check with these Tagores? I don't know if they are. Let me just put a Tagore message out there. I think because it was in the group, they may not know about it. Okay. All right, Ahmed. That's nice. Fantastic. Good to see all of you. Rushda is on a beach, still enjoying. Ahmed, you muted if you're saying something to me. I love your bookshelf. Nice.
It's not a bookshelf, it's a
There's a
bag.
trend on Twitter where you put a lot of bookshelves behind you. I'll do all these funny tricks. All right. I can see gems out there. Rushda, I can see your background changing. It's okay. Yahya, good. How are you? Zubia around. That's nice. Okay, Zainab, we saw you. It's okay. You can go now. Good. So just wait for a couple of more of you to join because I think it's a big group. Let me see. Okay, not sure that everyone around. Okay, so what we're gonna do today, and Abdullah, you're the host, isn't it right? Okay, we're gonna start having a little conversation around something very important. I thought I'll take up your arts class and then I'll mix it up with an ICT class, which is what you have, Mandela's. And I'll talk a bit about arts and ICT, but mostly about ICT, right? Because that's what Mandela is doing. You're doing a lot of calculations, a lot of understanding about basic things around it. Now, when we do ICT, you've been doing a lot of paints. What are the things you did in ICT so far? Go ahead, anybody. You can unmute yourself and speak to me. Just something that you've done. Safi, I can only
We
see
did
half of you.
logos
Put
in
your
paint.
camera a little lower. Yeah, that's better. Okay, all right.
Input
What
and
did you all do
output
in ICT?
logos.
Anything significant that you all did? Should I go to the class and then see if I can
We made
can't go to the
logos
class and
of
tell the Tagores?
paint.
Anybody want to tell me? I'm just going to Tagore class and seeing if anyone's around. Okay. Okay, hold on. Just a minute. I just saw Mozam and Mudabbar out there. Mozam Mudabbar, we have just sent a message and she said, can you all hear me, Mozam Mudabbar? Yeah, we are in the Tagore group. I just sent a message in the group. I think we didn't check it. That's why I logged in here. Join the Tagore link. It's in the group. Okay, perfect. I just gave it for you guys. I know you got most of your stuff. Right. Just give us a couple of more minutes. So go ahead, tell me in the chat or speak up what you do.
Sorry, you're muted.
All right, that's fine if you don't pay attention.
Sir, your voice is still coming from Satya Didi.
You all are having a good time. Oh, you paid, Ibrahim. Okay, Ibrahim, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Sir, your voice is gone. Sir, your voice
Sir, we
is gone.
can't hear you. Just
Sir,
send
you
a
are
message,
muted.
Muni bhai.
I'm sorry, I'm muted. Hey, why are you all not speaking to me? I was muted. I was speaking to Mozam and Mudabbar on the Tagore group. So Ibrahim, I heard you say paint, which is good. Don't worry, I'm not going to paint anything today. And okay, don't get mad at me, girl. It's okay if you're not paying attention, right? Today we'll do something different. We're going to do something specifically on a very important part of Tagore. Very important part what you will do, Mandela's and Tagore's in ICT, and hopefully I'll take it forward from there. Now, since the group is, I want to talk about specifically about what's happening in the world today. How many of you are on WhatsApp? How many are on WhatsApp? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a everybody. The whole world is in, right? You all are on WhatsApp. Oh, perfect. Now imagine if I give you a WhatsApp number, what happens? I can't hear you, guys. You can mute
We
and unmute
save
and tell
it.
me.
I'll start chatting with my friends.
If I were to give you my number, what are the details you'll get about me? What can you get about me? Amina, why don't you tell me? Let's say Amina, I ask, hi
Your
Amina, how are
name.
you? Amina
Your
says, hello, how are you? Okay, Amina, I want you to message on a WhatsApp. So Amina gives a WhatsApp number to me. All right, Amina, what's your WhatsApp number? Be unmuted, speak up.
99930899064.
Why can't I hear you guys? Amina, hold on. Is there some problem with this thing? Speak up again, Amina.
The actual number.
That's your choice.
9930899.
Stop. I thought you were a smart girl. You don't give your numbers to anybody, right? Look, there are people
No.
around. You don't want Abdullah to get your number. And you want Muhammad to get your number. Muhammad's going to send you all those funny emojis and memes that his father sends. And he will dump your WhatsApp. It will become a full dumping ground. See, right? But that's the rule number one. You don't give your WhatsApp numbers to anybody just like that. But now my question is, if you get a WhatsApp number, somebody gets a WhatsApp number of yours, what else do I get about you? Who wants to
Your
answer?
phone number.
Okay, I get the phone number. Okay.
Our name.
What else? Your name. How do you get your name from WhatsApp, Amina?
No, you don't get.
There's a hyphen in the corner, and then whatever name you give on WhatsApp settings.
Whatever name you have given, you get it. Absolutely. All right. What about the others? What else can I get from your WhatsApp number?
Is he there in one of the groups which he has?
Okay. All right. Safia, who's Mandela? Mandela says profile pic. Who's Mandela now?
Mandela is Zubia.
Zubia. Okay. Zubia, you're right. Safia, mute yourself, please. All right. So now you are getting your picture. You're getting a name. Absolutely right. What else can I get about you? Can I know where your address is? Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah, I am sir, not ma'am.
Sorry. We can get hobbies also. What you want?
Maybe from your profile picture. Okay, so there is something. What I wanted to come to is something called Truecaller. I'm sure all of you know what Truecaller is, isn't it?
Yes, sir. It's an app.
Truecaller, yes. So from your Truecaller, I can absolutely get almost every detail about you. That is what I want to talk about you today. Today, the new debate that's going on. This is a symbol for WhatsApp, and everybody is aware of what WhatsApp is. By the way, WhatsApp was bought by which company? Which company purchased WhatsApp?
Facebook.
Absolutely right. So now there was an entire debate around WhatsApp that the moment you give me a number on WhatsApp, I can go to Truecaller, I can find your full name, depends people if they're masked or not masked. I can even know your address. I can know from your DP who you are. I can go search your Facebook profile. At least go ahead.
I didn't put my face on my profile picture.
You didn't put your face on a profile picture.
Abdullah and Ibrahim and Yaya.
You did not put your face, or did you put your face?
We did
You
not
did not put.
your
Okay.
face.
Okay, that's okay. It's okay, Mohammed. If
We
you're so
did
ugly,
not.
you didn't put your foot. It's all right. But the whole idea is they still can find out, Mohammed. Just from your number, they can go to Truecaller. They can find out who you are. Perhaps some Facebook post, your face will be there. If they want, they can tag you.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, some people
Correct.
do on Truecaller, they go and put their name as unknown so nobody can find out.
I know. See, what happens now, at least this is called the first level of hacking. There is a key word I want to talk to you about is this word. What happens, Abdullah, is at least you and I can do this one level. What about the companies that are owning this? They know everything about you. And that is the key word that the world is talking about. This is a new word that you might, some of you, encryption, right? What is encryption?
End to
mean?
encrypted. WhatsApp is end to encrypted.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by
Security.
that?
That
Yes.
means that WhatsApp allows security.
Full
and
security.
Okay, now this was a debate that happened that does WhatsApp really allow security? And because WhatsApp started a payment process also, actually it's not true. You know, anybody can hack into your WhatsApp account. Anybody can look at what you are doing. They can read what you are reading. And this is the bigger challenge that the world had. Apple has its own system. Apple says, no, we don't give. Apple actually is true. You know, the United States government wanted some data from an iPhone, and Apple refused to give to the government of United States. He said, this is how our secure servers are. We will not give it. WhatsApp, on the other hand, compromised. The owners, the people who founded the company WhatsApp, they actually left it before selling it to Facebook. They said, we know Facebook only sell data ads. Facebook as a company is known to sell your data, what you like, your preferences, and that is the big debate that's going on. Anyway, my topic is not about what is WhatsApp right or wrong, but I wanted to start a debate with you, have a conversation around that time. Encryption is the key thing. So can you tell me the new company that came up which actually secures your data? Very popular company. Even I have not downloaded it itself, but it is becoming popular. Which one is it?
Telegram.
Okay, Telegram. Instagram, no, not Instagram. Instagram is not a messaging service. It's more like a social media where you put your photographs, right? Tinder, Messenger. Facebook Messenger again is like WhatsApp. It's more to do with Facebook. Now it's become Messenger. But a very new Skype. I like the name Skype. It is again for video calls. Zoom, mostly for video calls. Of course, a lot of messages happening on Zoom. But tell me one company that is becoming a very popular company.
On Skype we have chat.
I know you have chat on Facebook Messenger, you have chat on Instagram, you have chat on Zoom, you have chat on Snapchat, you've got chats across. But what I want you to do is, I want you to, 1 minute, can you please mute? I want you to tell me a new company that's very, very popular. Go ahead. Who can tell me? Ahmed, Muazzam, tell me a company that's in the news now. This is what I want to know from you all.
Sir, it is a Turkish company.
I don't know if it's not a Turkish company, Abdullah. Why would Turkey make some
Any
software?
hint?
It starts with S. Excuse me.
Snapchat. Any other hint?
Okay, so I'm going to give you. I'm surprised.
Signal.
Oh, who's the Signal?
Ibrahim Rizwani.
Ibrahim Rizwani. Was it you or someone else prompted it? It's a right answer, by the way, right? So even
I
somebody
read in
prompted,
the newspaper.
That's wonderful. So very similar to WhatsApp. You look at the logo, it's very similar to WhatsApp, but this is the new company that came up. And it's a very popular company. See, the reason I'm asking is sometimes, I expect my teachers to do this with you. They may not be aware how do you deal with, technologies, how do you deal with it. Now, today, the real data is any consumer. I'm a consumer, right? I want to know, is my data secure? What I share a message to my wife, what I share a message.
So that is why different people were joining our classes. You remember?
Yes, Munib, that is called encryption, right? So now I can go to security and I can actually enable waiting room. I just enabled the waiting room. So if you see, now nobody can join my class, and that's what a teacher has to do. That's what you as a host have to do. After you see most number of your friends have joined in, enable the waiting room. And what will happen is they will never be able to join. You'll frustrate an audience. This is what encryption is about. So today, these are the 3 top people, providers of communication. What happens is, it's like grocery. Now, a lot of people are selling grocery, isn't it? But suddenly one grocery store comes up and people like it so much. It could be Apna Sook. You know who owns Apna Sook? Yeah? Tell me the answer, I think. Yeah, so you'll get some discounts now. Whoever gives the answer. Abdullah can go and tell them the outside girl told me 20% discount now. All right? It's all about becoming popular. So Munib will give us a discount. You have Snapchats and Instagrams and Facebook Messenger.
Already discount is there.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Munib. See, look, how he's marketing and promoting it. These are the 3 most popular communication tools today being used. WhatsApp definitely is the most popular, especially after Facebook have purchased WhatsApp. But what happens is, what they do is, for example, I send a message to somebody. Let's say I send a message in Tagore group. Okay, and I say, hi, Tagore, your exams are coming up. Make sure you have your pens and pencils ready, or whatever, or geometry box ready. Now, the moment the word I put it, next time you open up your Amazon, next time you open up any Google thing, you will get an ad which says selling school stationery, selling geometry boxes. That's how the world of ad works on. I read a message to a friend of mine. Look, I'm buying a house in Navi Mumbai. Suddenly, when I open my Google, I get, or Facebook especially, or YouTube, I get these huge ads for houses. Yeah, Abdullah, what's the question? Go ahead.
Sir, the app I was talking about, the new app of which was made by Turkish. I was talking, it was The app's name was BIP. It is just like WhatsApp, same like.
It's like BIP. Okay. So there are apps that are Chinese have made it, Russians have made it. Now what is happening is, if you looked at what happened last year, it's called biological warfare also in some research papers. I mean, today people are all talking about data. In fact, when people die, this is very surprising, all right? Okay, this is interesting, and I will want to comment from some of the Tagores at least. When people die, they have a digital will. What will happen to the social media account? Imagine if I'm a Facebook celebrity and I have 5 million followers on Facebook or Twitter. People want to know, what will you do with your Facebook followers? Will you close it? Will you not send it across? Will you give it to somebody else? This is how people do. So imagine, what do you think you will do with your own accounts? It's a digital will that you want to do. People are creating digital wills around. I don't know what you will do with your accounts, but these are also like money in a bank. Your accounts are like some kind of digital presence. This is what's happening. Today, I want to have a conversation on security, on encryption. Yes, go ahead.
So at New Year time, WhatsApp itself had its status that it was telling that WhatsApp can't read your, it's encrypted and it can't read your chats.
Okay, good. No, I think, yeah, Mohammed, you don't like Insta. It's absolutely okay. Tell me.
From where is Signal from?
Signal again is an American company, Yahya. Now I want you all to just go ahead into a small group, and okay, whoever is having a mobile in hand or can check up, when I put a calendar, the word calendar on emoji on a WhatsApp, what date comes up? Go ahead and tell me.
The date which is there.
Go ahead, Munib. No, it's not right answer. Check again. I put the word calendar. If I put the word calendar on a WhatsApp, a specific date comes up. Like there's a date that comes up. One is an open calendar. One is a date. What date is? Go ahead and check. Let me see who can really check. You should have access to WhatsApp.
When you downloaded that app.
No, it's a WhatsApp emoji. WhatsApp emoji, right? How you put a thumbs up emoji on a WhatsApp. So I think some of you may have a phone around. Check it up or Google it and tell me.
Sir, 17 July, sir.
17 July. Are you sure? Okay.
Feb 24. Feb 24.
Feb 24. All right. Why did you say 17 July? Because if I...
Sir, it is 24.
Right.
24th February.
I agree with you. It's 24th Feb. Let me see if I can put that in a Tagore group
17
itself.
July. It is saying 17 July.
Sir, it is showing 17 July.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
I think it's only for mobile phones and not for laptop.
Yes.
It's different for computers and it's different for mobile phones.
Is that true? So let me check on a computer now. Let me. I don't know.
Sir, but
I'll have to.
17 July, sir.
Where did you put 17 July?
Sir, on WhatsApp, sir.
So can you see my
Calendar.
WhatsApp now? I don't know if you can see my screen or not. If you can, I'm just putting my WhatsApp right now on top.
Sir, you are currently sharing the screen.
Yeah, I'm sharing screen, so I want you to see my WhatsApp. It's okay. Right. I don't know if you can see it. I'm just loading my WhatsApp. I canceled it because there's too much noise that comes behind. Anyway, let me see. If you can't see, it's okay. So I get 2 dates right now. Okay, I get it. I got the WhatsApp. 1 minute. Okay, a lot of messages around, 100 ones also. Okay, so
I think because
see, I got 24th Feb.
24.
Yeah, I got 24th.
Sir,
Yeah.
Yes, I also.
So here
Sir,
I
when
got this calendar.
Sir,
Okay, it's 24th Feb. How did you get 17 July?
sir, when you search it, it comes 17 July, but when you click on it, it comes 24th Feb on the...
Okay, all right. So now, okay, interesting. This is good. Okay, thank you, Safiya. I got your message. So I'll stop share, reshare it. Now, what is the significance? Why 24th Feb? You know, I was doing some research and I was keen on why 24th Feb. Both these dates are very significant. Any guesses before we go ahead? This is a small quiz.
Valentine's Day.
Guys, Valentine's
Day is on 14th February.
Yeah, it's 14. It's not
It's
24th.
on 14th February.
Right. So tell me what's significant of 24th Feb? Yes.
Sir,
Maybe-
it was released on
Okay. So I'll make it easy for you.
Sir, Facebook has...
Yes. 17th July, if you say, was the time when Facebook was incorporated, like Facebook's birthday, right? If you were to call it. And 24th Feb is WhatsApp was founded on 24th Feb. That's why they have put this date across. Anyway, that's a small trivia I wanted to share about. Let me go to Signal, Telegram, and WhatsApp. A quick comparison that is very interesting. And this is how encryption happens. See, at some point, you will become IT engineers, data scientists, encryptors. This is what happens. Anyway, I don't want to discuss this with you, but now today, WhatsApp is one of the most unsecured platform. Please, for whatever reasons, be careful when you share phone number, especially OTPs and messages on groups like that. Now, that brings me to a different conversation which I want to have with you today.
So what's OTP?
OTP is, when you get a password. What is full form OTP? P stands for PIN, transaction.
Sir, it is used in Ola, sir.
Yeah, online transaction PIN. It's easy to decode when you go backward.
Okay.
So these are pins. When somebody tells you, okay, you got an OTP, 4 numbers usually, please click on the link and go to this. Do not do it. Now, suddenly everyone has a mobile phone. These are what are unencrypted or not encrypted messages. If you look at WhatsApp out here, not completely open source, backup or not encrypted, and there is no screen security, there is no group chat security. The point is, WhatsApp is very open source. And usually people, government agencies, they snoop on your messages just to check what's happening. That's advertisers do it most of the time, not government agencies. But this is what brings me to
So
another
we saw
conversation.
on telemarketing, they get a phone numbers.
Yes.
In business, we studied that from telemarketing, they contact us and they get our numbers even though we did not know them.
Absolutely. This is not only even the president of India. The president of India gets it, and there's no privacy.
But we when we download WhatsApp now, so it's to agree privacy policy, but it doesn't have privacy.
See, Yahya, the best part is because you are a consumer, you're agreeing to everything. When you download any app that says you allow the app to use your contact, check your photographs, you are allowing it. If you don't allow, they will not give you access. They will not allow you to use the app. So we are actually there. In countries like Germany, Sweden, France, they are fighting for those rights. They sue WhatsApps and Facebooks, which is amazing. Right now, there is a discussion going on that Facebook has too much of power. They want to break the company into 3 companies, which is possible. And this is what I love about the world where voices are there. I think we watched the movie long time back of this man. Anyone knows who this man is?
Yes, ma'am. This is Dr. Strange. No, this
Thank
is
you. Yeah, Alan what, Mohammed?
Alan Turing.
Yes, Farhana. Yes, Alan Mohammadi.
No. He encrypted the Germans.
Right. Mohammed, he decrypted it. All right. I agree. I like the enthusiasm. Yes, Farhana is Alan Turing. This man is, by the way, an actor in the movie The Imitation Game. And what I want you to discuss and talk to you about today, and in this little conversation, is you must be aware of what's happening in the world. This is, by the way, a real person. This is a real person.
This man was Dr. Strange also.
Yeah, that is the actor. That's why I put the real photo. This is real Alan Turing. And he cracked the Nazi code, maybe decrypted the Nazi code. The point being, what happens is we need ethical hackers also. You can be an ethical hacker, but for that you need to love numbers. So what I found is you all are very enthusiastic, and that's what Golden Sparrow is. But if you don't push yourself, if you don't start doing these things, if you don't enjoy solving puzzles, crosswords, sudokus, you will not go to the next level. And this is what this conversation is about. Okay, I will start my conversation with something very simple. There is one of the oldest code that was available in the world was called Morse code, right? It was by a man, Mr. Morse, right? Samuel Morse. And today what we'll do is it takes time.
Sir,
Yes.
Imad has hacked Among Us and Minecraft. So he's
hacked. Okay, all right.
So he told. So I asked him how to hack. So he told you have to learn Morse code first.
Okay, Morse code is like the ABCD, like the phonics of. Yes. So hold on, Yahya and Munib, thank you. But what I want to do is let's start doing Morse code is like the phonics. It's like the tajweed of codes and cracking. So you need to know that. It's a basic idea of it. Yes, dots and dashes, Muhammad. And that is what I want you to do now. Let's see if you can do a little decoding. What is a Morse code, by the way? This is a man, Samuel Morse. He's the inventor. Very little versions of it. So 1830s, we are looking at 200, how many years? 200 years almost. 1930, 2030, so 200, 190 years right now. That's when Morse was done. This was a signal of dots and dashes. People started sending tuck, tuck, tuck like telegram. You will click one time, you'll click twice, and you will click long time. That's how the Morse code happened. Morse codes were used using lights sometimes. Then the dots, and I want to talk about the dots and the dashes. Even today, strangely, despite modern technology having come in, United States still have 10 people who learn Morse code in a year. And we'll discuss that why. You have to tell me what we're talking about. So this is a basic Morse code. Everybody get your pen and a paper or whatever you have on. I want you to at least write the word golden sparrow, not your name. Name is too boring. Write the word golden sparrow using Morse code. Come on, go ahead. You can use chat and write it down because it's just dot and dashes. Come on, make an attempt. I want to see who does it first. It's a race. It's a race now because Morse code is a race now. All right. So don't worry, do that dots and dashes. You have your numbers with you. G is right there. 2 dashes and a dot is G. O-L-D-E-N. Golden sparrow. Come on. I want to see everybody. Even if you're not writing, pretend you're writing, okay? I'll be happy to see that. Come on. Yes, Anas is seeing. I can see Anas. Okay. That's nice. Mudabbir is doing right. A good, mashallah. I can see. I think I can see Amina pretending to write. Okay, good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Come on, do it, guys. Morse code. Come on, everybody on a Morse code. Come on, Ahmed. Mandelas. Come on, beat the Tagores now. Golden sparrow. You can write on a paper and send a snap to me on your group. You can do anything you like to.
So done.
Done. That's Anas's. Anas, good at. Put it on the group. Show me. Can you? You have a camera to share screen, Anas?
Yeah, sir.
Go ahead. Share the screen. I'll pin you.
Sir.
Where did you go, Anas?
Sir, done, sir. Done.
Okay. Okay. All right. Is that on the chat or is that on the groups?
Sir, I will send it
Sir.
on the group, okay?
Okay. Go ahead. Send it on the group. It's okay. Absolutely okay.
Sir, done, sir.
Sir.
Okay, Anas, I can see that. Let me pin Anas because it's the first one. Spotlight for everybody and pinning you, Anas. All right, where did Anas go? Hold on. Spotlight for everybody.
Answer.
That's nice, Rujda. I can hear you. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm stopping this now, guys. I'm stopping this for a while.
it on chat.
Okay. All right. I can see Mandela's. Is that Mandela chat? Oh, you sent it on this chat. That's good. Okay, that's good. Even better, Rujda. Why do you send it to me on a group chat rather than a private
Sir,
chat?
I am
Rujda?
sending on Golden Sparrow. First
Okay,
line
do
is
that. Yeah,
golden
yeah.
and another one is sparrow.
Okay, Anas. Okay, hold on. Muhammad is showing me. Anas, where is your thing? I can see Muhammad do that. And we are going back to Stone Age now. Okay, Abdullah, it's not very clear, but
Mine is finished.
okay, now good. You did good work. Thank you so much, everybody. Good work, Anas, Muhammad, everybody. Now, this is where we take a debate further. We discuss it. It's fun. Now, why do you think would we still need a group like that? United States, is I was telling you before, right? Still trains 10 people to use Morse code.
Something.
Hold on. I'll come to your conversation. Yeah, just 1 minute. Let me just I want you to answer this question. USA, Air Force, today Morse code is outdated. Nobody uses Morse code. You have got encrypted messages, end-to-end encryption. I spoke about Telegram and WhatsApp, and imagine how they would be using it in their own groups. Why do you still need a Morse code? Who can tell me? Just guess. Okay, Rujda, I see your hands first. Go ahead. No, hold on. Everybody, look, listen. That's how etiquette should be. I go to Rujda first. Go ahead, Rujda.
I think it's because when somebody is in need of help, somebody might send a Morse code thingy, or when they need to communicate.
Okay, interesting. I like your background. It suits it. Imagine if you're marooned in an island, right? That's where you will have nothing much to do but a tap and a dash, which is what a Morse code is. It's the easiest one that we're talking about, and that is one of the reasons why you can, think of Morse code. Anyone else with a different answer?
Sir, I
Anyone
have.
else? Okay, Munib. Hold on. I heard Munib first. Munib, go ahead.
Sir, if there is a war going and you are a person in a country and you are hiding somewhere because the country is capturing you, and sending you out, so you can just write a Morse country to your family, which is in another country, to say
Okay.
that help me.
All right. Now, Muni, the same thing can be said in Morse code, little shorter, but I get the point. Sometimes you might need an easier code because people don't know about it. And that's a very important aspect of what Morse code is all about. Okay. Safia, you have anything to say? You have unmuted yourself. Okay.
No.
So
Sir,
please mute. Yeah, thank you.
I wanted
Okay.
to
Yeah.
say
Yeah, wanted to say something. Go ahead. Yeah.
Yes, sir. In the game which I play of Brawl Stars, in that one season was there. So so they wanted to send some message to us. So they gave the message with the Morse code.
Okay, interesting. So I can see people using Morse code. Now, also what happens is sometimes older technologies are much better than newer technologies. And this is what we need to, this is the reason we need to put the Morse code. People need to learn about the code. People need to learn about what is important, because sometimes older technologies are much better. You can improve on a Morse code. What I'll do is the next 10 minutes, we just discussed a bit about WhatsApp and encryption and Telegram and what is Morse code. I'll give you some tasks. Let's see if you can solve it. It's a very easy one. And that's about what we're going to do today. So here is your first task, right? Take your time. I'm going to give you a series of focus. Okay, by the way, just a small trivia. Ali bin Abi Talib, all right, radiallahu ta'ala, was an excellent code hacker. He was someone who could encrypt codes very well. Did you all know that? No? None of you? I would love to talk, and we will do a series soon, very soon now, on some of these amazing warriors and people and personalities. But this is how a code works out. Okay, so right now, your first code is, take your time. It could be very simple, like instead of A, you use the word L. Instead of L, you use the word W. So a simple code could be like that. You have to find clues, patterns. That's what a code is. So the first one is, for example, the word ESP appears twice. So it could be the. Okay. Can you help me uncode the first line? Do I have to use my annotation? Okay, I want you to uncode the first line. I'm sorry. Yeah, go ahead. Sir, already come in. No questions, only help me uncode. Just help me uncode this word first. Okay? This word, I told you ESP is THE, the. Okay? So now go ahead and do it.
So your annotation is covered the letters.
Oh, thank you, Amina. Here you are. I'm trying to be smarter in annotation like most of these Mandelas are better. Come on, the hackers. Come on, everybody.
Sir, the WZZ word is
What could it be? See, all you have to do is see, ESP is THE. So let me go to E. Is it THE? I'm not even sure. Why would ESP be? See, it's
sir,
like
HKKG.
What's HKKG? See, I need to check what letter is substituting what letter. I'm just giving.
Sir,
Huh?
this line which is written, this is written.
No. It's not the code. It's an example. It's not. This is not the real code. You have to use this, like write it down and try to decode it. It's just coding. That's it. This is the beginning of a lot of algorithms.